So quick look at a new accessory some of you guys may find handy. Today we're going to be checking out a new watch roll, and a really nice one from Mirage Luxury Travel. Pretty neat little addition for anybody that's looking for some travel accessories for their collection. I also have a second part of the video. I have two watches that just came in from Aerotec watches, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway partnering with Aerotec. This one's going to be a little bit different than my usual giveaways. We're actually going to be conducting this one through Instagram this time. So stick around to the end of the video. I have a couple of watches we're going to be taking a look at, one of which will be given away through that Instagram giveaway. So I'll explain that here in a second. But first, let's take a look at the watch roll. Now, at the moment, there's two versions. There's the Jade Black and this Espresso colorway that's in the box here. I left it in the box to start because the presentation is pretty well done, so we'll go through that first. Inside the box, we have this pamphlet, and I'll just pull this out. It has some details on the watch roll and then a letter from the owner of the company, Ralph, on the back side. We also have a white cloth, which is a nice addition you can carry in the watch roll with your watches. The watch roll is wrapped in this branded paper. Get this stuff out of the way. And I'll actually just slide it out here so I don't rip the paper. And inside is the watch roll itself. One thing straight away I really liked is the fact that it has a flat bottom. I have I'll just move this back for a sec, a Wolf watch roll, as well as this one. I'm not sure the brand. I found this probably on Amazon at some point in time. They're completely round, and with the weight of the watch heads all being at the top, they tend to roll over on you. If you're traveling, which hopefully starts happening again fairly soon, this watch roll can be set down on a nightstand or desk, and it's going to stay sitting upright. Just a small detail, but a nice one to have. The roll is branded with the company logo. Stitchwork looks good. We've got 4 snaps to keep the roll securely closed. Inside, and I'm going to just tuck the lid back like that. It actually makes for a nice little display when you have it like this, but the pillows are good and wide if you have larger watches like a pilot's watch or a dive watch. The pillows, if you pull them out, I'll pull the center one out here, have ridges on either side. You put your watch on, slide it into the slots, and that's just going to help keep the watches from jostling around, shaking around during travel, so a little bit of added protection for your watches. And here it is loaded up with a potential trio of watches I might take on a trip. And one other thing I actually like is the watches are sunken slightly into the watch roll, so when you close the roll, they're not pushing out on the leather. Some of my other watch rolls, both of the other watch rolls for that matter, do that, and sometimes even pop open the snaps with that pressure. Now, these are made with synthetic materials, which is reflected in the price, which is $59 US. You can buy these through the company site, and they're also an Amazon seller, so links to both buying options will be below. Full disclosure, this was sent in free to the channel, so thanks to Mirage for letting us check it out. Overall, I'm happy with it, and hopefully soon we can give it the full test run once travel options open up here a little bit more. So let's switch it up and get into the unboxing of the Aerotecs. So what's happening with the Aerotec watches? A couple of things. So Aerotec had a release a while back, the Sea Hunt. We're going to be doing a giveaway of the Sea Hunt. So inside is a Sea Hunt, and they're also going to be releasing a new watch via Kickstarter. So we're going to get an early look at their new release as well. So we'll get into the packaging here. Well packaged, that's for sure. Sorry if not all of this is in frame very good. It's a little bit of a bigger box, but let's clean up the mess and take a look at the watches. And we're going to do one at a time here. I don't think I saw this packaging when I did the review of the Sea Hunt originally. Looks to be a little bit different. We have something here as well. So there's a bracelet included with the watch, with the giveaway watch, and this is the Sea Hunt. Really good watch on the spec sheet. This is an interesting colorway. It's got a bit of a burgundy-ish sort of color, and one of the neat things with these watches was the case back. If you look, we have the old school diver's helmet with the opening there. Kind of neat. So this watch, again, is going to be a giveaway happening through Instagram. So follow me at TimeToGo1978, as well as Aerotec at Aerotec Watches. I'll be posting on Instagram here very soon on how to enter, so keep an eye out for that. So yep, nice looking watch. We've got a helium escape valve. I'll also leave a link in the description below to my original review of this particular model. I believe I had a blue dialed version. So very nice. Let's move over to the new release from Aerotec. And almost forgot the wrist check. The watch wears well. It's a little bit tall on wrist, and that's partially due to, I think, the thicker coinage bezel here, but looks really good. And also with the giveaway, I'll pull the bracelet out of the packaging there just to show you. It comes with this really nice oyster style bracelet as well. And here is Aerotec's latest release. Also comes with the bracelet. I believe it's the same style bracelet, but we'll talk about that when I do the full video here in the next few days. This watch is called the Bay. They're going to be doing a Kickstarter campaign. I think they're shooting for the 8th of September to launch the campaign. This will be coming out on the sailcloth strap. Quick release backed with leather. There's also going to be a couple of dial options. This one has a sandwich style dial, and I think that that might be an add-on. I don't think they all come with this style of dial. I believe, I'll get in for a closer look at the dial here, but I believe these have a 9000 series Miyota movement. Neat crown. Really like the case back. We're going to get into all of these specifications in an upcoming video here shortly, so keep an eye out for that. I will remember to give you guys a wrist check this time, so let's take a quick look on wrist. And here it is, and it's quite an interesting colorway. I don't think I've seen a watch with quite this color combination. I'm not sure how it shows up on camera. The dial through the viewfinder looks a little whiter, I think, than it is. It's got a creamy-ish color to it. Bezel action is nice. So look out for the upcoming video. I'm going to talk a little bit more on the pricing, all of the details with the Kickstarter campaign, specifications on the watch. That'll be coming here in the next few days. So really appreciate you guys stopping by today. Don't forget to give me at TimeToGo1978 and at Aerotec Watches a follow on Instagram to keep up to date on how to win the Sea Hunt. Appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.